Pinga, Pungadola, Rogu Agomko, Odum Bomdum. Inama, Nulu Sinamko, Ala, Dokangam, Kabila, Takama, Olum.
आपका नाम?
कमला साय।
आपको मालूम है ना ये डोनेशन ड्राइव किस लिए लगा के रखा है बोल के?
घर जलाए।
घर जला है ना, तो जैसे आप आज अपना प्यार देने के लिए आए ना जो विक्टिम्स लोग हैं, तो इसी तरह आप बाकी लोग को क्या बोलना चाहेगा, क्योंकि अभी तक टाइम तो है डोनेशन ड्राइव के लिए, तो क्या बोलना चाहेगा?
सब दे दो बोल के।
Okay, viewers, standing with me here is Kangkeling Pertin. He is the Secretary of IPR of Adibana Kabang Youth Wing, Pasigat Unit, East Siang District. So let's get straight into him and know about this donation drive. Welcome to Eastern Post, sir.
Yes, thank you very much. First of all, I would like to thank the Eastern Post for covering up this news.
Drive is organized for what reason and for which cause?
Yeah, okay, thank you. This donation drive is being organized because on the brutal day of 8 June 2024, 9 houses and 9 granary houses have gutted down into ashes at Kerang village in Kaing Circle, Siang district. So for that purpose, we have benched a round of meetings with our executive members. After that, we had passed for this voluntary contribution camp.
Sir, as this drive is taking place here at Pasigat, so how many more such places are you planning to do this donation drive?
Actually, this donation drive, this contribution drive is not being organized only in Pasigat. It is being organized in overall Arunachal Pradesh. Actually, the Adi dominated areas such as Namsai, Upper Siang, Siang, and East Siang, and also in capital complex. I mean ICR also, in ICR region also.
मैसेज आप क्या पहुंचाना चाहेगा लोगों को कि ये डोनेशन ड्राइव को लेके, बिकॉज द इंसिडेंट ऐसा ओकर एट करंग विलेज जहाँ पे 9 ग्रेनरीज का फायर इंसिडेंट हुआ है, इवन द हाउस ना, तो रिगार्डिंग द डोनेशन आप ये डोनेशन कर रहे हैं, तो व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू अपील टू द पीपल फॉर दिस डोनेशन ड्राइव?
Yeah, actually, I would like to appeal each and every one of us to come forward and lend your helping hands. अब ये नहीं घर में सोच के बैठना है कि मेरा 1 रुपया से, मेरा 2 रुपया दान करने से किसी को क्या मिलेगा. There is a great saying in English, every little drops of water makes the mighty ocean. तो आपका 1 रुपया, आपका 2 रुपया, आप जितना इधर दान करेगा वो जा करके एक बहुत बड़ा, एक ह्यूज अमाउंट में कन्वर्ट होगा, और वो ह्यूज अमाउंट हम लोग का जो विक्टिम्स है, जो फायर विक्टिम्स है, उसका जो सेटलमेंट है उसको ले करके बहुत ही उनको फायदेमंद होगा.
This donation drive, there will be lots of people who are staying far away. They would like to contribute through online process. So, is there any process or any media through which they could reach out for this donation drive?
Yeah, of course, there are lots of people who are willing to donate but staying in far away. So for that purpose, we have accumulated a QR code services. QR code services. So you can donate through by scanning the QR code also.
Sir, is there any page that you have created for this fire victim that has happened at Kerang village?
No, for this specific purpose, we have not created any such pages. But you can follow us on Adibana Kabang East Siang District Unit. We have an official page for that also. And also we have Adibana Kabang Youth Wing Apex official page in the Facebook. So उधर भी आपको मिल जाएगा.
As I spoke to the IPR's Secretary IPR Kangkeling Pertin, he informed us that this drive is being organized for the fire victims of Karang village. So through the medium of Eastern Post, we urge the public to come and show your love and helping hands to the victims, the fire victims. So this is Bumpy Zirdo reporting for Eastern Post with cameraman Gamun Nokar.